guys, I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Danny Monique, and today we are going to be doing a review on Skytex ring light. As you guys have seen in my last video, if you did not watch it, please go watch. But I'm going to show you guys now as well too. This is the ring, well, not ring light, the ring box. I have it sitting up like that because I was trying to do something, but this is the box. And in the very first part of my last video, I actually used it so you guys can kind of see how the lighting is. So I'm going to actually try to put a clip from that video so you guys can see how good the lighting is. But yeah, I bought this for my business purposes, so when I'm shooting stuff for my business I could have good lighting. And so far so good, but two of them came and they have three different settings. Well, different settings. I think it's more than just three. I only use just one so far because I need batteries for the remote, which I'm going to find. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box. Inside of the bag. When you open up this bag here, which, like I said, I already put one together. This here is the stand. And that's exactly how the other one came, obviously. And this one here is the actual box for the lights. And it's a lot of space in here, you guys. So if you need to carry it around, like I say, for me, it's for my business purposes. So that is perfect for me. Also, there were two boxes in here like this. And here is the light bulb. Here it's like a regular light bulb. You unscrew this part and screw it inside of here so that pretty much you have your light box. And then it comes with two different remotes here. So this is the remote, but it doesn't come with batteries, so I have to get some batteries. But I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this together, and you guys gonna watch me do that. And yeah, so don't you guys forget to like my ish and subscribe. And you know, like I just said, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this stuff together. Oh, what nah. And this is the stand once again, once it comes out of the packaging. There's two levels on this stand where the highest it can go. I'm just trying to get it the highest it can go. And at the top of it, it also has this little knob just for protection, this little black knob here that you just, you know, screw off. And, you know, just that's where you screw in your actual box. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and open up these packages so we can get started. So when you open it up, it looks just like this, and this is very easy to assemble, so don't think it's not, because it really is. And that is the actual cover of the light box. On the covers on all four sides you have the Velcro, and it's also on the ring box, so pretty much just assembled it like that. So once I open this up, I take my light bulb, and like I said, it's like an actual light bulb, and you just screw it in here, which is kind of complicated a little bit, but I see it's better if I hold it on the floor or hold it like how I'm holding it, because the first one I was like struggling. But there's the plug port, and pretty much on there's a switch that has on and off, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover on. I just put it on all four corners before pushing down on the Velcro so that it will not come off.
I'm pushing P, pushing P.
And voila, there you have it. So this is just easy as 1, 2, 3. Just a little test run. There you go. So I'm kind of eyeballing the other one because I did kind of struggle with this part. I mean, not a big struggle, but a little struggle. But I'm just going to place this in here just like the other one there. And then I'm screwing the other part. Oh yeah, I'm screwing it in now. Okay, yeah, I'm screwing it in now because I was confused of which screw was which. Now you see how good and sturdy that is. It is very sturdy. Now there we go. That's the other one that controls how you want your light box to be placed, and pretty much just screwing it in like that. Okay, so here is the remote up close. Like I said, we have the warm, we have the white, and we have the cool settings. And I'm just running through all the settings. And actually later on in the video, when I do my sit down portion to do my outro, y'all gonna get to see it up against my skin a little bit better. But pretty much these are just all the different settings with the 20%, the 50%, and 100%. It has an up and down for like not volume, but like the levels. So like pretty much like the 20%, the 50%, and the 100. So it's like a regular remote pretty much. And like I say, that triangle at the top, I think that is like supposed to be like that one right there. I think it's supposed to be like an energy saver, but when I clicked it, it didn't do anything. But that's pretty much all that is on this remote. If you guys have enjoyed this video, and consider getting your ring light, because look at me, I'm glowing. Like, that is just the actual, when I cut it on, what it is on. And let's just see on my skin. So that's the warm, that's the white, and this is the cold. For me, let's see which one I like the best. I like the white the best because it just feels like I'm showing up the person I am. As you guys can see, I have on no lashes, no brows, because you do not have to always be made up. And that message is for someone out there who thinks that life is perfect, and it's not. But guess what? I got another video done without those lashes, without those brows. But anyway, I think my review of what I think it's a very good starter ring light. I'm not trying to be out here being a photographer or anything anyway, to have the top-notch quality, but at the same time, to me, I feel like this is good quality based on the fact for me to just do my YouTube videos, or even for my business. I feel like it's a very good investment. So if you're considering getting you a ring light, down in the description I'm going to have the link, because I got it from Amazon, of course. Go ahead. It was less than $100, so I think it's worth the money, so that your videos can shine and they can see you through everything. So like I said, do not forget to like my ish and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.